IMF, is an international financial institution that acts as the lender of last resort for its member countries. For competitive exams, it is essential to distinguish its role from the World Bank. While the World Bank focuses on long-term development and poverty reduction, the IMF focuses on macroeconomic stability and balance of payments (BOP) support. 1. Origin and establishment. Bretton Woods Conference, 1944. The IMF was conceived at the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference in New Hampshire, USA. Formal establishment. Formally constituted on December 27, 1945, by 29 member nations. Operational start. Began financial operations on March 1, 1947. Headquarters, Washington, D.C., USA. 2. Membership and structure. Current members, 191 countries. The latest member to join was Liechtenstein, October 21, 2024. Leadership. Managing Director, Kristalina Georgieva, Bulgaria, serving her second 5-year term, started October 2024. First Deputy Managing Director, Daniel Katz, appointed early 2026, succeeding Geeta Gopinath. Decision-making bodies. Board of Governors. The highest body, consists of one governor, usually the finance minister or central bank governor, from each country. Executive Board. 24 directors who conduct the daily business. IMFC, International Monetary and Financial Committee, advises the Board of Governors on the management of the international monetary system. 3. Core functions. The IMF's work is often categorized into 3 pillars: surveillance, monitoring the economic and financial policies of its 191 member countries, known as Article 4 consultations. Financial assistance, providing loans to member countries experiencing actual or potential balance of payments problems to help them restore macroeconomic stability. Capacity development, providing technical assistance and training to help countries build strong economic institutions. 4. The quota system and voting power. Unlike the UN, where each country has one vote, voting power at the IMF is based on a quota system. What is a quota? It is the amount of money a member contributes to the fund. It determines the country's voting power and how much it can borrow. Quota formula. Based on a weighted average of GDP, 50%, openness, 30%, economic variability, 15%, and international reserves, 5%, 16th General Review, 2023, the Board of Governors approved a 50% increase in quotas, totaling approx. $960 billion, aimed at reducing reliance on borrowed resources and making the fund more robust. Top holders. The USA holds the largest quota, approx. 17.4%, and effectively holds veto power over major decisions that require an 85% majority. 5. Special drawing rights, SDR. The SDR is an international reserve asset created by the IMF to supplement members' official reserves. It is not a currency, but a potential claim on the freely usable currencies of IMF members. The SDR basket, current 2026 weights. The value of the SDR is based on a basket of 5 major currencies. Following the 2022 quinquennial review, the current weights are US dollar, 43.38%, Euro, 29.31%, Chinese yuan, renminbi, 12.28%, Japanese yen, 7.59%, British pound, 7.44%. 6. Major publications. The IMF publishes high-impact reports that are frequently cited in exams. World Economic Outlook, WEO, published twice a year, April and October, with updates in January and July. Global Financial Stability Report, GFSR, assesses global financial markets and systemic risks. Fiscal Monitor, analyzes public finance developments. 7. Key facts for competitive exams. Fact. Detail. Parent organization. United Nations, Specialized Agency, India and IMF. India is a founder member. India's finance minister is the ex officio governor. Lending capacity. Approximately $1 trillion. Latest quota increase 50% increase, 16th review, effective 2024-2025. Veto power. Any decision requiring 85% majority, like quota changes, requires US approval. Interrelated fact. India's SDR status. As of 2026, India holds a quota share of approximately 2.75%, making it the 8th largest quota holder. India has been a creditor to the IMF for several years, meaning its currency is used in IMF lending operations to other countries.